So today's question, can you imprison someone forever in the UK and in Scotland? Let's do this. Let's do law in under 60 seconds. Okay, so in England and Wales, they have something called a whole life order. And what this means is that you will remain in prison unless there are exceptional, compassionate circumstances. So, what we're talking about here is that someone who is probably very close to death or very, very unwell, or they already have very limited capacity due to a medical condition. And it's pretty rare. Some quite well known offenders who are on whole life orders include Lucy Letby, Rose West, and Robert Mausley. Now, in Scotland, we don't have whole life orders. Instead, we have life sentences. So, with a life sentence, you will have the judge that sets out a minimum period that you must spend in prison before you can be considered for parole. So, it doesn't mean you get out, it means that you can then be considered by the parole board. The court does have the power to give an incredibly long punishment part if it deems that to be appropriate. This was seen in the case of Angus Sinclair. Angus Sinclair was given a punishment part of 37 years. What that meant was he would have been 106 by the end of his punishment part. So I hope you've enjoyed this law in 60 seconds. Follow us for more.